Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. So today's news as on January 9, 2021 is bulk carrier contacted pier, both damaged at San Lorenzo. Wood chips carrier SURABAYA Express contacted pier while berthing at San Lorenzo, Parana River, Argentina. In the afternoon, January 8, both ship's stern and pier sustained damages. Assessment underway. The ship was anchored on front of San Lorenzo, remained anchored on January 9. Wood chips carrier Surabaya Express, IMO 9554731, TWT 70099, built 2003 13 and flag Hong Kong. If you like this information, do share it with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.